inside the New York City apartment of Bunny Williams. Bunny's New York City apartment is nestled in the heart of the city, serving as a testament to her extraordinary talent for creating harmonious and timeless interiors. Bunny seamlessly blends antique treasures and contemporary elements, telling a story of impeccable taste and appreciation for design history. Stepping into her apartment, we are enveloped by a captivating electric blue paint color, which instantly infuses the space with renewed vitality. Bunny had pointed out that in this space there was an absence of windows, so she decided on an exciting and unexpected vibrant blue hue of a paint color, which allows the entryway to assert itself as the heart of the home, and from it is encircled by the other rooms of the home adorned in more understated color schemes. In the entryway, a magnificent, larger-than-life photograph of a lush swamp commands your attention. Despite Bunny's fervent love for gardening, she has always been captivated by the allure and inerrant beauty of overgrown wetlands. In her quest for artistic diversity, Bunny sought a photograph for this particular wall and stumbled upon an extraordinary shot captured by the talented artist Nelson Hancock. The brilliant blue backdrop frames a glimpse into the living room, where resplendent tones of gold and bronze reign supreme. Flanking the fireplace, recessed bookcases proudly showcase an array of beautiful spines, thoughtfully interspersed with an exquisite collection of bronze animals belonging to Bunny and John. Bunny explains, "Bookcases offer a splendid stage to exhibit our cherished objects since they are in constant view. Our bronze sculptures reflect our deepest passions, abounding with graceful whippets and enchanting rabbits. A captivating contemporary painting takes pride of place, gracefully flanked by 19th century pine figures that exude an air of historical elegance, as if they were once a part of a grand paneled room. Just below the artwork, an exquisite French mid-century bench with an antique tapestry remnant serves as a charming perch for stacks of books, inviting one to indulge in literary treasures. I have no desire to create a room confined to a specific era," Bunny confidently had asserted. The living room itself stands as a testament to the artistry of blending pieces from different epochs. A regal 19th century English Regency sofa shares space harmoniously with opulent 18th century French Louis XV open armchairs, their frames adorned with delicate painted motifs and upholstered in sumptuous tiger velvet. A contemporary acrylic-top table with fresh flowers, a graceful hurricane lamp, and a sculptured gold gourd add a touch of modern sophistication to this ensemble. Two charming checkered drinks tables positioned low to the ground provide a convenient resting place for glasses. When talking about the hand-casted mirror, Bunny stated, "I adore the way it captures and reflects light. It's not just a mirror for vanity." Drawing our attention upwards, a whimsical hand-forged iron curtain rod, sourced from the now-closing antique shop Malmaison in New York, graces the windows. Bunny playfully points out its intricate detailing, a spider web delicately entwined with a captured metal bug.
What's his last name, Spray?
That might have otherwise gone unnoticed. Above the fireplace is a resplendent gilded mirror that Bunny has cherished for years. It pays homage to her love for faux bois and anything reminiscent of her passion for gardening. Its carved twig-like top resonates with the enchanting design of the gilded base on the drinks tables, which stand nearby, accompanied by elegantly upholstered chairs adorned in dandelion velvet. Notably, the colors woven into the rug create a harmonious connection between the rooms, offering a subtle nod to the mossy green palette of the adjacent library. This space is filled with warmth and coziness. The colors are in green, brown, beige, and gold. There is a beautiful modern art piece above the upholstered sofa, and the leopard carpet is simply stunning, paired with a rug which Bunny found in a flea market. This layering adds to the coziness of the room. Bunny stated, "The inclusion of extra stools and drinks tables is what truly brings comfort and warmth to a room, making it effortlessly inviting." Because the building is older, people during that time period dined in larger rooms. Today, Bunny has converted the dining room into a dining room and a library that even has a sofa. A circular table, capable of expanding to accommodate 12 individuals, finds itself more frequently being used as Bunny's dedicated workspace. Hidden within the drawers and the cabinets to the right, a printer and a laptop discreetly reside. The walls bear witness to eclectic collections of paintings and drawings spanning 3 centuries, and diverse mediums artfully arranged in a salon-style display. On the opposite side of the room, sunlight cascades into a cozy seating area, where Bunny indulges in her morning newspaper. To create distinct sections within the space and break up the expanse of the windowless wall, Bunny added 2 elegant columns, expertly marbleized. These columns serve as a captivating backdrop for 2 carefully curated groupings of artwork. In the kitchen, stepping into this culinary haven, you are greeted by a stylish display of sophistication and elegance. The kitchen boasts sleek gray cabinets that exude a touch of drama, perfectly complementing the overall aesthetic. The floor is of broken-up marble tiles of varying different colors. Although one is different from the next, the colors harmonize with each other and add a touch of traditional Italian flair to this otherwise modern and clean overall aesthetic. The carefully curated elements, such as gleaming stainless steel appliances and the ample natural light spilling through the windows, allows it to be filled with a warm and inviting ambiance. In a small room that is adjacent to the dining room, a hidden gem awaits: the powder room. Despite its modest architectural scale, Bunny has transformed it into a visual marvel by commissioning artist Bob Christian to hand paint an exuberant mural. Reminiscent of early Flemish tapestries, the scene spills over onto the ceiling, infusing the space with an undeniable sense of enchantment. Stepping into Bunny's bedroom, she refers to it as her princess room, and stated, "I thought it was about time I had one of these." The crown jewel of Bunny's bedroom is the remarkable Serge Roche bed, a serendipitous find discovered by John at a Sotheby's auction many years ago. Its dismantled pieces were scattered on the floor in a side room, waiting to be rediscovered. This extraordinary bed, once owned by Dorothy Hart Hershon, the first wife of William Paley, exemplifies the excitement of delving into design history and the hunt for exquisite antiques. When talking about the bed, Bunny had stated that if she were to buy it today, she would have never been able to afford it. But because she found it a while back and it wasn't very popular then, she got a great deal. Adorning one side of her bed is a resplendent 19th century English dressing table. Hand-painted floral garlands grace its drawers, a testament to the talent of Swiss artist Angelica Kaufmann. Above the table, a captivating arrangement of botanical drawings, rendered in pencil, are thoughtfully grouped together to maximize their visual interest. In the master bathroom, Bob Christian's artistic prowess comes to life on the walls. Skilled brushstrokes bring exotic greenery, buildings, and tents to life in a monochromatic style. The mirror, doubling as a medicine cabinet, boasts a custom metal frame adorned with delicate frills that add a touch of refined elegance. In John's bedroom, Bunny's own design takes shape. In the sleek metal structure of his bed, a small footstool nearby provides a cozy perch for the couple's beloved dogs, allowing them to climb up and find comfort alongside their adoring owners. John proudly displays one of his early acquisitions, an Orientalist painting, above his headboard. Acquired in his 20s from a store near his hometown, it holds its sentimental value and adds a captivating artistic theme to the room. This influence extends into a wood-paneled bathroom where Bunny explores its historical significance as both cherished mementos and prestigious symbols of status. A mid-century dresser, flanked by metal chairs that may have once belonged to a boat, become a cherished repository for John's beloved objects. Among them, 2 magnifying glasses with exquisite hand-carved handles catch our attention, a reminder to appreciate the intricate details that surround us. Bunny Williams' New York City apartment leaves us in awe and admiration of her exceptional design vision. The seamless integration of antiques and contemporary elements, the skillful layering of patterns and textures, and the thoughtful curation of art and objects all combine to create spaces that are both timeless and captivating. Her ability to blend different eras and styles with grace and elegance is truly inspiring. Whether it be from the carefully curated book stacks in the living room to the whimsical mural in the powder room, every element has been thoughtfully chosen to enhance the overall ambiance of the apartment. Thank you so much for watching Cultured Elegance. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video, and comment down below telling me your favorite room in the home. And I'll see you in the next one.